Good morning, MMTs. It's a wonderful day. It's 5:33 a.m., 6/1/2012. And as I have always mapped out, case A was a bull and the B case is the bear. And one of the things that we're going to be looking at is a form of capitulation. Now, for you home gamers, the gap open down list is right here. Priceline down 1150, Google gapping down 786, Apple gapping down 785, Amazon gapping down 391, the bull TQQ gapping down. That is the gap down list. And your big high beta is that the fear factor is still in play, and I have totally, thoroughly, over the weekend, pointed out the VIX and the VXN. We are looking for a capitulation where you would come down, wipe this thing out, take this jobs data. I will tell you that the S&P futures are ticking at 1284, down 2460. Dow futures were down 200. They're only down 178. NASDAQ futures were just down 50. They're down 45 handles in pre-market. And that unemployment number that your favorite little economists that you love to listen to have to come out and all admit how wrong they are. And they are. And you can blame it on, they can blame it on or justify or minimize or rationalize their numbers or whatever the case is. The case is they're terribly wrong. And once again, QE3 could come into play now because Bernanke's got something and Geithner's got something to do. We are in the midpoint of the year where the analysis that were done in calendar December of 2011, which mapped out this time frame, starting this time period, is 100% accurate before the fact. And this is the kind of stuff that the bull will have to face today. Not only that, I will also be very happy to show you that the listed stocks, and here is a primary session, and here's the gap open down right here. CMG, we're short. MasterCard, CF Industries, CRM. These are all the listed stocks. Look at how long this list goes. You haven't seen this list like this kind of gap down list. No, you have not seen this since we were putting the lows in calendar 2011. We shorted that big old bull up there too. Now, that is a huge gap down list in calendar 2012, which you have not seen it of this level because you have not. So the bull is going to have a lot to do with. We'll go shopping to buy the best quality. Once again, it's about capitulation. And here is the SQQ, the bear, up $3 on that gap. So the sentiment with the bull compared to the first 4 months of the year, which was one of the biggest Ponzi schemes ever in U.S. history, covering all the short interest, taking these things up to 12-year downtrends, and then pulling the plug on the life support. And this is what happens to the bull case. So, once again, within the trading ranges, there will be trades off the bottom. We'll get busy right now. It's a Friday options expiration, and we're not in them because we're looking at the very best value, and I will be explaining the group the way that the left elbow gap down on this kind of news. You got Google gapping down exactly where I said last night, 570. And I said it in after hours, and I did the analysis, whether you like it or not, and it is at that price target that I gave. And I will get back here to you little lovely Apple holders, which we like this one. It's the best one out of the group. So we are going to get a boatload of opportunity on the opening bell when the sellers get washed out. They're going to take all the calls down, and I talked about things with MMTs yesterday in thoroughness so that they could have a good roadmap. Have a good day.